Why are there not more people talking about the true nature of money? From the bustling markets of Marrakesh to the towering skyscrapers of New York City, the world is alive with commerce. Every day, billions of transactions take place, goods and services change hands, and money flows like a river, connecting individuals, businesses, and nations in a complex and interconnected web of exchange. We buy, we sell, we trade, driven by our needs, desires, and aspirations. This constant flow of commerce is the lifeblood of the global economy, fueling growth, innovation, and prosperity. But beneath this bustling surface lies a fundamental element that makes it all possible: money. Money is the invisible hand that guides the market, the lubricant that keeps the wheels of commerce turning, and the language that transcends borders and cultures. But what exactly is money? Where did it come from? And how did it evolve to play such a pivotal role in our lives? Join me as we delve into the fascinating history, functions, and potential future of this enigmatic concept. In the beginning, there was no money as we know it. Early societies relied on a system of barter, exchanging goods and services directly with one another. I need a new fishing net, but the net maker needs a clay pot, and the potter needs, well, you get the picture. This system, while simple, was fraught with limitations. Imagine trying to find someone who not only had what you needed, but also needed what you had to offer. The lack of a common measure of value made it difficult to determine fair exchange rates. A cow might be worth 10 chickens, but what about a goat or a bushel of wheat? Furthermore, many goods were perishable and difficult to store or transport, making long-distance trade a logistical nightmare. The barter system, while effective on a small scale, stifled economic growth and limited the potential of human ingenuity. It was clear that a more efficient and sophisticated system of exchange was needed. The need for a more practical medium of exchange led to the emergence of commodity money. Certain goods valued for their utility, durability, and scarcity began to be used as money. Shells, beads, salt, cattle, and even cocoa beans have served as early forms of currency. Over time, metals like gold and silver, with their inherent value, divisibility, and portability, rose to prominence as the preferred form of commodity money. These precious metals, often minted into coins, provided a more standardized and durable form of currency, facilitating trade and enabling the accumulation of wealth. However, the weight and transportation of precious metals still posed challenges. This led to the development of representative money, where paper certificates were issued to represent a certain amount of gold or silver held in reserve. These certificates could be exchanged for the actual commodity on demand, offering greater convenience and security. Finally, the world transitioned to fiat money. Unlike commodity or representative money, fiat money is not backed by a physical commodity but derives its value from the government that issues it. This trust-based system, while seemingly abstract, underpins the modern global economy. Despite its various forms throughout history, money has always served three fundamental functions. First and foremost, money acts as a medium of exchange, a universally accepted intermediary that facilitates transactions. Instead of bartering for goods and services, we use money to buy and sell, simplifying trade and enabling specialization. Secondly, money functions as a unit of account, providing a common measure of value for goods and services. Instead of expressing the worth of a car in terms of chickens or bags of grain, we use a monetary value such as dollars, euros, or yen. This standardized unit allows for easy comparison of prices and facilitates economic decision-making. Finally, money acts as a store of value, allowing us to save and preserve purchasing power over time. We can hold on to money, confident in its ability to retain its value, barring inflation, and use it to make purchases in the future. This function is essential for investment, economic growth, and long-term financial planning. Section 5. The Modern Monetary System, a Global Web of Finance. The modern monetary system is, well, a complex and interconnected network of central banks, commercial banks, financial institutions, and government policies. Central banks play a crucial role in managing the money supply, controlling inflation, and setting interest rates, which influences borrowing, spending, and overall economic activity. Commercial banks act as intermediaries, accepting deposits, providing loans, and facilitating transactions within the economy. The advent of digital banking and online payment systems has revolutionized how we interact with money, making transactions faster, more convenient, and increasingly global. The interconnected nature of the global economy means that events in one part of the world can have ripple effects across the globe. Financial crises, currency fluctuations, and changes in monetary policy can impact individuals, businesses, and nations far beyond their immediate origin. Section 6. Inflation and deflation, the tides of monetary value. Just as the tides ebb and flow, the value of money is not static, but subject to fluctuations. Inflation, a general rise in the price level of goods and services, erodes the purchasing power of money over time. What once cost $1 might now cost $2, reducing our ability to buy the same amount of goods and services. Deflation, the opposite of inflation, is a sustained decrease in the general price level. While seemingly beneficial, deflation can lead to a vicious cycle of falling prices, reduced spending, economic stagnation, and even depression. Central banks strive to maintain a delicate balance, aiming for low and stable inflation to promote economic growth without eroding purchasing power. Understanding these concepts is crucial for making informed financial decisions and navigating the complexities of the modern economy. Section 7. The rise of digital currencies, a new era of money. In recent years, the financial landscape has witnessed the emergence of a new player: cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a plethora of other digital currencies have captured the imagination of investors, entrepreneurs, and governments worldwide. Cryptocurrencies based on blockchain technology offer a decentralized, secure, and transparent alternative to traditional fiat currencies. They operate independently of central banks and governments, relying on cryptography and a distributed ledger system to verify and secure transactions. While still in their infancy, cryptocurrencies have the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems, revolutionize payment systems, and reshape how we think about money. Their future remains uncertain, fraught with regulatory hurdles, technological challenges, and volatile market fluctuations. Section 8. The Future of Finance, a Journey into the Unknown. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, the future of money is a topic of much speculation and debate. Will cryptocurrencies replace fiat currencies, or will they coexist in a hybrid financial system? Will governments issue their own digital currencies, or will private companies dominate the digital financial landscape? The rise of artificial intelligence, big data, and quantum computing is poised to further transform finance, automating processes, improving risk management, and creating new opportunities for innovation. The boundaries between the physical and digital worlds are blurring, and the way we interact with money is likely to undergo profound transformations in the years to come. One thing is certain: the journey of money is far from over. As we venture further into the uncharted territory of the digital age, the nature of money will continue to evolve, challenging our assumptions, sparking our imaginations, and shaping the future of finance in ways we can only begin to imagine. Section 9. Conclusion: An enduring enigma. From the primitive barter systems of our ancestors to the complex digital economies of today, money has been an integral part of human civilization for millennia. It has evolved from tangible commodities to abstract concepts, its form and function constantly adapting to the changing needs of society. We have explored the history of money, its transition from commodity to fiat, and its fundamental functions as a medium of exchange, a unit of account, and a store of value. We have delved into the complexities of the modern monetary system, the challenges of inflation and deflation, and the rise of digital currencies as potential disruptors to the status quo. As we stand at the cusp of a new era in finance, one question remains paramount: what does the future hold for money? Will it continue to evolve in ways we can scarcely imagine, or will its fundamental nature endure, a testament to its enduring importance in the tapestry of human civilization? Only time will tell.